actually was shorting yesterday at the highs, MMTs. Yesterday's highs up there on that FCX. That's what it is, FCX 3-minute chart. Trades on the NYSE, by the way. And here is today's actual trading day right here, January 4th. But you can see how the day started out. Slide the bid, slide the bid. So let's take today to this first bottom right here. There are two, there is how we did it. So let's just take right here, because this is the intraday high, and this is how we opened. On January 4th, we put that bid down, we put in that high again, but look at, we finally make the lows. So slide the bid, half bar. You can see the deterioration in the brain. Everything that was supporting your position. And then you finally get made down here, but you had a 3, 6, 9, 12 reversal, but you were still breaking below half bars, and you kept going to the left below half bars, and everything in the brain, in this info panel down here, and everything in the ratios was working your way. They were working your way. You can see. Then we finally made the bottom. No, we finally made the bottom right here, but there's a $2 bounce off the bottom. And so that was that ratio reversal versus the long ratio down all day. You finally got made. And as I've always said, market makers are market makers. And when they penny down, they finally got everyone out and then walked that dog right on up there. You can see that. Every one of these were clean breakout bars. Closing above half bar, closing above half bar. Look at that. Closing above half bar, closing above half bar. Look at that. Closing above, consolidating. What more could you want? Another breakout. 21 pennies a teeny. 21 pennies per line. But you sure got a late day breakout back up to that 118,950. So that free, and it's in the gold and silver sector. It's the leader. It's a market makers. We assign all the MMTs. So the new MMTs, as you're seeing how the brain would break out, and you would be with it. You got paid all the way down here on the short. You got paid on the long on the way up. When you add these two debits, so total debits down, total debits long, times 2, you get a lot of money made. So basically, it looked like we were having a lot of problem in certain kinds of names in certain sectors and indexes throughout the day, and that's in the morning. That was that long short, but you finally got made, and you broke higher. I mean, that there is a dream. You just went pennying right up fast. That's when you know those lows are put in, and you're right back up, and you got above this teeny line right there. This one, you actually closed above it. So think of how many teenies down. Well, let's take a look in the brain. Total price movement, I think, is a lot of money, because the intraday trend ratio range was 1.55. 24.814 is equal $5.20. If you get that twice, that's over $10 move in the name, because it is. If you got $5 down and $5 up, you made $10. MMTs. Nice. FCX. MMTs. Second trading day of the year. 1/4. 1:15 p.m. 2011. MMTs.